Hey guys! Everyone knows innocent and caring angels, but how about the fallen angels? Aren't they just more fascinating? Let's do it! As you can see, I already did the foundation, so we can jump to the best part right away, the eye makeup. First, we'll cover our eyelids in dust gray eyeshadow. This will serve as the shadow for the other layers we're applying. Take a hot bloody pink and apply on your eyebrow bone and lower lid. It creates an effect like you're from another world. Blend the pink with your skin by using a nice peach color as a go-between. Blend the border between the pink and peach color. Fill your eyelid with a deep pro black and with the tip of your eyeshadow brush, draw along your lash line. Finish the line with an elegant swing upwards. With the same dust gray eyeshadow we used before, dab along the black line under your line to soften the hardness. For this dark look, it's best to use dramatic lashes. Apply one on each of your eye. Now take spiky dramatic lashes and stick them behind the first lash for a super dark dramatic look. Use a second pair of the spiky dramatic lashes as a lower lash. This makes your eyes look like they're in sorrow but still beautiful. If you want to accentuate your eyes, apply more hot pink on the area covered by the falsies. Lips. Apply a crimson colored lip tint to put your lips in full bloom. And a red lip gloss on the inner middle part. Add color to your cheeks by mixing pink and peach together. Apply on your cheek apples. Then blush the lower part of your cheeks, but only use the pink blush now. I'm also going to fit my eyebrows color to my hair because they got a bit lighter while applying foundation. This eye makeup is great to make your eyes pop, so I use light blue lenses because they take the most advantage of this effect. And with that, the look is complete. Good luck, and I hope you like this dark magical look. See you in my next video. Tschüss! Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!